Yukon, Yukon, Yukon.
Welcome to the basketball capital of the world. Staycation Sports, we have officially touched down in Connecticut. And you know what that means. We're dialing up the Husky style. And we have all the lavish vacation you could ask for. Let's get this party started right now on Staycation Sports. What do you say, Connecticut? Hey, neighbors.
Hey, Charlie. Welcome
Hi.
to Mystic.
How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Pleasure to meet you.
Hi, great to see you.
Great to see
Yeah.
you.
Come on in. These are our three daughters, Madeline, Olivia, and Grace.
Nice to meet you. How are you, girls?
Charlie, this is our newest renovated house called the Mystic Liberty.
Give us the floor plan from the bottom floor as you enter the front.
Okay, so as you enter into the two beautiful double doors, you enter into a family room space, which actually has two sitting spaces, and then it enters into a dining room, and it's attached to a breakfast nook. As you go up the stairs, we actually have 4 bedrooms, so it sleeps 8 people. There's 2 rooms with a king bed, there's 1 room with a queen bed, and there's 1 with 2 twin beds.
I can imagine having a big family here, enjoying the house, the large gathering places, but you got some yard space too.
We got a great backyard for family gatherings. We've got a grill back there. We've got a big table and chairs. This is an ideal space for somebody looking to have a wedding party.
And this is the magic of Mystic.
Oh, I'll drink to that. What do folks have to look forward to when they hit the Mystic?
From this home, you can walk into downtown. There's shops, restaurants, bars, really fun nightlife here. You wouldn't expect it from a small village in Connecticut.
One of the coolest things you have here is an incredible amount of space with the backyard, but also the parking. How many cars could you fit over there?
You can easily fit 5 or 6 cars on the side. And in the summertime, Mystic is so packed, you really have to fight for a parking space. So we really think that that's a big advantage, having this location with that many parking spaces.
If I was spending a day in Mystic, I'd definitely start off on this beautiful porch. I'd have a nice cup of coffee, maybe some pastry from Sif Bakery. Then I'd head out for the day, maybe spend a little time at the aquarium, and then head on down to downtown Mystic. Down there we have unbelievable shopping and restaurants, and then the nightlife begins. There's incredible bars to go to, and it's just really become a popular place. So it's actually sometimes very difficult to get into a restaurant down here.
Well,
Yeah.
cheers to everything that you've built here, and cheers to Mystic and what you've done to restore history
Thank
here.
you. I hope
Thanks,
you
Charlie.
come to visit.
Hey, we got a party right now.
Yes, we do. Let's do
Let's
it.
go.